As the cold weather sets in, we're often asked if it's even possible to complete waterproofing, foundation repair, or underpinning projects during the cold Canadian winter months. The simple answer is yes. GJ MacRae has been completing all forms of waterproofing, foundation repair, and underpinning projects year-round since 1975. Here's how we do it. Before we begin a cold weather waterproofing project, we simply start by clearing away the snow from the repair area. Next, we lay down tarps to protect your natural landscaping. Then begin removing the frozen portions of ground by hand, generally the top 12 to 14 inches of soil. Once the frozen top layer is removed, the ground below is warm, malleable, and ready for hand excavation. When we reach the footings, our proprietary cold weather waterproofing membrane and drainage envelope is then applied. We then backfill, power tamp, and clean up, all in the same day. So rest assured, even during the cold winter months, GJ MacRae Foundation Repair can still keep your basement dry and structure intact. Plus, all of our work is backed by our famous 15-year transferable warranty, no matter the time of year. So if you are in need of exterior basement waterproofing, underpinning, interior or exterior weeping tile repairs, sump box installations, or structural foundation repair, even during the winter months, don't hesitate to call us at 905-824-2557 or visit us online at wetbasements.com. GJ MacRae Foundation Repair. We are the information people since 1975.